Let's make our way back down. Walk over here real quick. See us over here.
Oh, that's it.
Took a bunch of pictures. So, Sue Ellen, did you have fun? On your little scamper? Oh no. And of course, some had ruined by having music playing.
I know.
That's ruined. Ruins it.
We just enjoy the peacefulness of where we are.
Oh no. Another hole. That was kind of cool. I saw a guy biking his bike. He was cruising around.
I think that's going off trail.
Well, I'm going to go this way. Well, I saw a bike guy over here. There's a trail over here. Yeah. Yep. So it looks like you can, like, I don't know, maybe over there, but up there too as well if you want to walk up there. That's kind of cool.
What was it called? Hole in the Rock?
Yep.
Hole in the Rock?
Yep. Hole in the Rock Trail. Yeah, okay.
That's what you made it sound like.
Well, I was gonna go up there. I mean, there's no way.
No, you're not hearing what I said. I said you made it sound like you were going to go the front of it, up the
No.
scale the side of it.
I may be dumb, but not stupid.
And that's what I said, never, not 25.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
You never said there was a trail.
Figured there was one. Yeah. Ready to fall down, almost like. But of course, you got to have someone play music while they're up there. So yeah, you can see people over there are walking over there. Where they walked, you can walk up there too as well. It's another area to walk up.
Probably there's another parking lot over there.
Yep. But Sue Ellen doesn't want to do anything, so.
Okay, that's not fair.
She wants to go swimming.
Yeah, I do want to go swimming. That's what we decided earlier.
So.
So it's tomorrow.
I know. Well, Sedona's tomorrow.
No? Take a fly.
Nah, it's no big deal. We made it back down, you guys. Came in the back way. Here's the zoo. Little mass, little trash. Yep, there it was. Pretty crazy sitting on the edge up that guy up there.
I know. Like when you're at the Grand Canyon.
Yep.
Does your mama know you're that close to the edge?
That's a great pic.
That is a great picture. I still have it out.
So you thought I was gonna climb up there, huh?
Yes.
Oh God.
So there was a trail.
I didn't know, but I figured there'd be a trail up there. I mean,
I was
You plan, God.
Led me astray.
Led me astray, huh?
Valentine's Day.
Yeah, I wanted to go up that way, right there. That's where I was gonna scamper. She wouldn't let me, you guys. I wanted to walk up there.
Remember, 62,
I could walk right up there, no problem.
61, whatever you are.
Look at that.
Yeah, scamper.
Right up there.
You can go tumble down, and Sherry's a widow on Valentine's.
All right, you guys. So, hole in the wall, rock trail. There it is. We made our way down. Fun walk up, fun walk down. There it is. All right, guys.